Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to change colors when you have a lot of colors going on in the same project. So the first thing you want to do is select your project, and then you want to come up to Edit Colors, and then Recolor Artwork. So that's going to bring you to a new window. It's going to show you all of the colors that are happening in your current project. And you'll notice that you have these little rectangles right next to the larger, longer rectangles. So say that I want to change this pink color here. What you want to do is just double click, and that's going to send you to a new window. This window is your color picker, and it's going to have a lot of colors for you to choose from. Another place you can find colors is this button right here, Color Swatches. And that's going to bring you to all the colors that you currently have in your swatches. So let's say I want to change that pink color to this purpley color here. All you got to do is select it and then click OK. So you can see automatically it will change your pink color to whatever, it'll change the original color to whatever color that you have selected. So I got my pink color changed to that purple color. And again, you can see that right here. So I have my original color, and then in the smaller rectangle is your new color. Alright, and when you're done with that, go ahead and select OK. And that is going to be it for this video. It's super easy. It's a nice little trick just in case you have a lot going on and you want to change something real quick. Go ahead and check out my other videos. I have other tutorials on my channel, as well as some speed paints. And I'm also on Instagram. I have two art pages. One is called Ali Art Patterns, and the other one is called Ali Art Designs. So remember to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.